Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1. I'm engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to test this power supply. This in my hand is a power supply. Now I'm going to show you how can you test this using a digital multimeter like this. Let's do it. Now we have here a digital multimeter. This in my hand is a digital multimeter. Now we are going to use this to test this power supply. This in my hand is a power supply. This is very easy. The first step is search a power outlet like this. And now set up the digital multimeter. This is very easy. These are the test probe. This. Connect the test probe to the digital multimeter in these positions. Now choose the mode moving this selector. In this case, move here in this mode. This is for measure alter current voltage. This is for test the power outlet. Now our digital multimeter is ready. In this mode, in this position, this digital multimeter can measure voltage from 0 to 200 volts. Now introduce the test probe here. Introduce here and watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, this power outlet is working correctly. We are watching on the digital multimeter screen 117.8 volts. Is okay. Now disconnect. Now the next step is change the mode on the digital multimeter. Use this selector and move the selector to 20 volts inside the direct current voltage mode. Is this. Now our digital multimeter is ready to measure the voltage from the power supply. The next step is connect here the power supply to the power outlet. Now introduce the test probe inside this connector. Introduce in this way. Introduce the positive inside and now touch the negative here. And now watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we are watching 30 volts. This means this power supply is working correctly in this case. Like you are watching now, is good because this is the voltage, the correct voltage from this power supply. How I know this? Very easy. Disconnect and read the information on the power supply. Like we're watching, the normal voltage from this power supply is 12 volts. This means this power supply is working correctly in this case. If you do this and you watch on the digital multimeter screen 000 or a number below 12 volts, this means the power supply is damaged in that case. But in this case, it's working correctly. And in this way, you can know if a power supply like this is working correctly or not. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, Give me a like, subscribe in our channel, Sosa NASA 1 in English, here on YouTube. Share this video and thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.